It's the Cold Brew Cafetiere of Cloud Knowledge. Oh yeah.
The Jamboard, it can be described as a product that aims to unify collaborative thinking, both the app and the device. If you have the device in the office, the big 4K touchscreen whiteboard, you can connect that up to your cloud, connect that up to Google Drive, and do all your whiteboarding on it.
I think it's great for brainstorming. So you can actually plan things. So we've used it for planning customer journeys from when they first start on Workspace, planning their journey through on how to put different applications, different services they might need. And it's a really good visual way of being able to see that journey.
It's also great for meetings as well. For example, if the entire office is wanting to listen into a meeting, the actual device itself has a built-in camera and speaker.
You can drag in a document from your drive using your mobile. You open up the document, you swipe it up, and it kind of throws itself onto the Jamboard. And as a collaborator, you can click into that document, take out pages, start annotating them, start marking them up.
On the actual Jamboard hardware, there are some features that you can't take advantage of on the app. For example, you can write, like you could draw with your handwriting and on the actual Jamboard, and then that'll put it into a legible font if your handwriting's really bad or whatever. And also you can draw shapes, and then it will recognise the shapes and convert them into just standardised shapes.
It's a lot more visual than some of the other Workspace tools, in that you can use the pen to write, or you can use text to write. You can add shapes, you can add images. Yeah, there's just lots of different features that make it a really visual Workspace tool.
Obviously, it's been built into Google Meet as well. So if you go into the Activities tab, you'll be able to see the quick shortcut to being able to get to the whiteboard.
One of the things I think will be really cool about both the Jamboard app and the device in the future of working, marrying up the app and the device, you could being able to collaborate through both mediums. You've got people at home collaborating on their personal device. You might have a small team in the office collaborating on the larger device, all happening at the same time.